is Mini T Halloween bashing.
This has so much power. Okay.
Sick!
Whoops. That might help.
Alright, we're back on the pool.
So much power.
Jeez.
Whoops, I ripped the back tire.
Nothing like a mid... Oh! Oh! I almost fell! Holy crap! Oh! Oh shit! Oh, I just stepped on there and it freaking fell. Little 360 wheelie right there. Jeez, I could set up a ramp just like this.
Put it to the bang bang. Put it to the bang bang.
Alright, Mini T going off this homemade. Oh, sick! Alright, let me get a better angle. Alright, go Cam, go!
Aw.
Damn it. Keep it pinned. Yeah!
Put it to the bang bang. Put it to the bang bang. Put it to the bang bang. Oh, jeez, why?
Alright, let's go. Going off the jump. Ha! Basically a homemade jump. Right here. I wouldn't step across that. Mini T!
Isn't somebody like 40 miles an hour when it hits you? It hurts.
That was sick! Do it again! I guess you gotta go right here.
Screw my head.
Yeah! Mini T power! And that's our Mini T Halloween bag.